Good morning, everyone. In this seminar, we are going to explore a very important concept in the C programming language: declaration and initialization of pointers. Pointers are special variables that store the memory address of another variable. Instead of holding a direct value like normal variables, they point to location in memory. Understanding pointer is crucial because they allow efficient handling of arrays, strings, dynamic memories, functions, and data structures. In this session, we will learn what a pointer is, how to declare it, and how to initialize it with a valid memory address. We will also look at a simple example to understand how pointers work in real programs. So let's begin by breaking down the basis of pointer declaration and initialization. Now let us discuss about what is pointer. We use pointers for dynamic memory allocations, efficient array and data structures manipulations to allow functions to modify original variables. It is passed by reference. Pointers also make programs faster by enabling direct memory access and reducing memory usage by avoiding large data copies. Why use pointers? We use pointers for dynamic memory allocations, efficient array and data structures manipulations, and to allow functions to modify original variables passed by reference. Pointers also make programs faster by enabling direct memory access and reducing memory usage by avoiding large data copies. Memory address concept. Memory address is a unique identifier for a specific location in a computer's memory, similar to a street address for a house. This allows the central processing unit (CPU) to store and retrieve data by providing the exact location of a piece of information. Addresses are typically represented in hexadecimal format, and programs use logical or virtual addresses which are translated into physical addresses by the operating system and a memory management unit called MMU. Pointer initialization. Pointer initialization is the process of assigning the memory address of a variable to a pointer. This is done by using the address of operator and to get the address of a variable and then assigning that address to the pointer variable. For example, int star p is equal to n semicolon declares an integer pointer p and initializes it with the memory address of integer variable n. Pointer declaration in C. In C programming, a pointer declaration involves specifying the type of data the pointer will point to, followed by an asterisk. It is denoted by star mark and the pointer's name. What is null pointer? Null pointer is a special value that indicates a pointer does not point to any valid memory address. It is used to signify the absence of a value or the end of a data structure, like a linked list. Attempting to access or dereference a null pointer is a common programming error, often causing a crash or an exception. Common mistakes in pointer. There is lot of common mistakes in pointer. Now we discuss few of them. Common pointer mistakes include using uninitialized pointers, dereferencing or null or invalid pointers, and the memory management errors like memory leaks or double freeing. Other common errors involve pointer arithmetic with invalid memory ranges, returning pointers to local variables, and incorrect pointer syntax. What is dereferencing pointer? Dereferencing a pointer means using the asterisk, it means star mark, operator to access the value to store it at the memory address a pointer variable holds. It allows you to work with the actual data, not just its location in a memory. For example, if ptr holds the address of a variable number, star ptr will give the value of number, and you can even change number by assigning a new value to star ptr. To conclude, pointers are powerful tools in C programming that helps us to work directly with memory. In this session, we learned that a pointer must first be declared with a data type and then initialized with the address of a variable using the AND operator. Once initialized, a pointer can be used to access or modify the values stored at that memory locations. By mastering pointer declaration and initialization, you build a strong foundation for understanding advanced topics such as dynamic memory, allocation memory, data structures, and function pointers. Thank you.